Mochis are small ball cakes that bring luck to the person who eats them. They come from Japan, and traditionally, they are made during festive times. Their skin is made from sticky rice. Their stuffing is more varied. It can be with beans, matcha green tea, or fruits. I'm going to show you how to make the red bean sweet mochis. Here are the ingredients for 12 mochis. You can find this list and other recipes on my website, cookingwithmorgane.com. Start by making the red bean paste. For that, wash 120 grams of red beans. Put them in a saucepan with 1 liter of water. Bring to a boil with a lid. When the water begins to boil, put on low heat and cook for 1 hour 30 minutes. The beans should be constantly covered with water. After 1 hour and a half, check that the beans have become very soft, easy to mash. If necessary, you can continue cooking. Filter in a colander. Let the juice rest. Crush the beans with a spoon. Throw the skin away. In the cooking juice, we can see that the water has separated from the thicker layer. Gently tilt the bowl to remove the water. And keep the thick layer of beans. Then add 60 grams of brown sugar and a pinch of salt. Mix and heat over low heat. As soon as the paste starts to boil, continuously stir. After 10 to 12 minutes, it has the thick consistency. Cut the fire. It will become even more compact as it cools. Now, prepare the skin of mochis. Put in a mixing bowl 200 grams of glutinous rice flour, 80 grams of white sugar. Mix. Pour 20 centiliters of water and 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Combine until getting a smooth batter. Oil a bowl. Pour the batter into it. Steam it for 20 minutes over high heat. Meanwhile, make 12 balls with bean paste. Use 2 spoons to shape them. Sprinkle the surface of the board with cornstarch or tapioca starch. The dough is cooked. Remove the water on the surface. The dough is very sticky. Pour it on the board. Sprinkle it with cornstarch to prevent it from sticking to the hands. Divide it into 12 pieces. Take a piece of the dough, stretch it a little. Put a bean ball in the middle. Enclose it by pulling on the dough, which is very elastic and which sticks when you press. Flip the mochi over and round it by rotating it. The red bean sweet mochi are ready. To keep them, you can wrap them in cling film. They are good 2 days in the fridge and several months in the freezer. When you want to eat them, just take them out and let them thaw. We are looking for in these mochis is the softness, elasticity of the skin, and very tender overall. Enjoy them with a good tea. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.